In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mix templates in Lucidpress, now known as Mark. This is a simple process that lets you combine pages from different templates to create a fully customized design. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Lucidpress or Mark. If you don't have an account yet, sign up by following the quick on-screen steps. If you already have an account, just log in. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to the template section and choose the templates you want to work with. Open each selected template in its own document. Keeping them separate makes it much easier to mix and match pages later. Now, in the first document, scroll to the page panel and select the pages you want to move. Hold the Shift key while clicking to select multiple pages at once. After selecting them, copy the pages using Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. Next, switch to the document where you want to add those pages. Click on the page after which you want the new pages to appear. Then paste using Ctrl+V or Command+V. The copied pages will be inserted directly into the document. If you want to mix content from additional templates, simply repeat the same copy and paste process. This gives you full flexibility to build a layout that fits your exact design needs. And that's it. Mixing templates in Lucidpress, now Mark, is quick, flexible, and perfect for creating unique designs without starting from scratch. Thanks for watching and happy designing.